welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Kavita and in today's video we are going to learn how to do these curls overnight without heat easily. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so for doing these curls you just need damp hair, a cloth which can absorb moisture easily, and a rubber band or some clips to secure your extra hair. Just now I took a shower, and after this you have to take a cloth which absorb water quickly, like hanky, towel, etc. So I took a small towel and attached one hanky to it, as this much was not sufficient for my head. So now what you have to do is divide your hair into two parts, two equal parts, half and half, and then place it at the bottom of your head like this. I know it is looking funny. And then start wrapping your hair like this. Wait, let me clip it so that it do not move. Just a second. Yeah. Wrap it around like this. And then mix it with the other hair, and then took again a section, wrap it like this, okay. So now as you can see, one side is done. Then just take a rubber band and secure it with the help of a rubber band, and make sure that when you are doing this your hairs are tight enough. You have to repeat the same this side also, so I will meet you there. You can see they both are done, and now you just have to fold them behind, and then at the back you have to secure them with the help of a rubber. So it's been 5 to 8 hours since I have tied my hair like this, and so now let us open them. So I'll be cutting all the rubber bands. Be very careful while if you are cutting the rubber band. So here you can see here the hairs are. Okay, so now opening it. Okay, so this is the final result. As you can see, they are beautiful curls, and so by doing this only you can get overnight heatless curls. Also, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, comment down any suggestion, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I will see you in the next one.